Test.
Keep out the foreigners, they made it strong. And I got a wall around me that you can't even see.
Center offer breakthrough treatments that eliminate problems in the bedroom without pain or surgery. Listen to
I thought it was kind of crazy and bonkers. It's not. There's some other things where people get caught and it goes viral and it really.
He's a 100% beef patty.
Test pass.